Hello, sales pros. October is upon us and the rush begins to get our homeowners to the finish line. I'm Michelle, here with my correspondent Ash. Here's what's up next today. Let's dig in.
With the end of the year approaching, many of us are rushing to try and get as many customers installed as possible in order to help them take advantage of the attractive tax benefits available right now. Solaredge already helps with this due to our DC-coupled technology saving space in the main service panel, as well as being able to oversize the inverter rating of your solar plus storage installations by as much as 200%. But what other steps can we take in order to get the customer to install faster? Well, one tip for today is ensuring that you know your customer's best method of communication. Getting customers to respond to requests in a timely manner is one small step in helping your install to get across the finish line quickly. During the consultation, ask a homeowner if they'd rather receive updates on their solar installation via phone call, text, or email, and then confirm that you have their contact information correct. Now, if only there were some way to know that we always select the correct inverter for the size of the homeowner's system.
Great news. We've got a new video reference for you. This short video will give you the info that you need to ensure you're selecting the correct size Home Hub inverter every time. Check out the link in the description of the video.
Also, we'll be hosting a webinar sharing small steps that you can take to ensure that your homeowner gets across the finish line in a timely manner. Join us on Tuesday, October 21st at 9 o'clock a.m. for Reducing Roadblocks, Speeding Up the Solar Journey. Scan the QR code on screen to register now.
Before we close out, I have an exciting announcement. Solaredge has become the #1 inverter solution as of Q2 2025. We wanted to take a moment to thank all of our sales pros, installers, and distributors for helping us get there. It's our goal to provide a best-in-class product that's easy to use and install. Earlier this year, Solaredge became the #1 on rooftop solar installations for both commercial and residential installs. 2025 has been a huge year for Solaredge, and we're very excited as we move towards the launch of the Solaredge Nexus solution in 2026.
And that's all for this month. We'll see you in November for more sales tips and tricks. See you then.